this guide, I'll show you how you can download and watch YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV. So what you need to do is just grab your television remote and we're going to press the home button, which is located here. Now, if you have a different model of Samsung, then this home button might be located in a different location. But once we've pressed this home button, this will bring up the Samsung home screen. Now, down in the bottom, you should be able to find a list of all the applications that are currently installed on your TV. So if you don't already have YouTube installed, then what we can do is just come all the way to the left and we're going to head over to apps. From the top navigation, just use your arrow keys to come up, and then we're going to select app search, and using the television keypad we're just going to type in YouTube, and we don't even need to type in the full thing, it just comes up as recommended at the top here. So just go ahead and select YouTube, and then from here we can click install, and that should only take a couple of seconds to download. It's a relatively small application. And then what I'd recommend doing is coming over to add to home, and this will add it to your Samsung home menu. So now if we come back over to the home button on our TV remote, you can see now if I scroll all the way across, we have now added YouTube to this list of applications down here. So we can just go ahead and select that and open it up. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download and install YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.